The Makita XDT14T impact driver features extreme protection technology engineered to provide better dust and water resistance while on the job. This impact pumps out up to 1,550 inch-pounds of torque in its highest setting, and 3 speeds offer 1,100, 2,100, and 3,600 RPM max, with 1,100, 2,600, and 3,800 impacts per minute. The T mode is for faster tightening of self-drilling screws. This helps prevent damage to the screw or the workpiece. And dual LED lights illuminate the fastener area, and a separate button allows the user to turn the light off. The one-touch 1/4-inch hex chuck delivers quick and painless bit changes without the need of 2 hands. Pull back on the ring and the bit ejects, push the bit in, and the ring locks into place. A BL brushless motor is electronically controlled and efficiently supplies the right energy for the needed torque and RPM. With the variable speed throttle, your control is infinite. Included in the XDT14T kit is the impact driver, charger, and 2 18-volt 5.0 amp-hour LXT batteries. These lithium-ion batteries offer exceptional runtime and charge faster than anyone else in the industry. The 4 onboard LED light indicators quickly inform you of the state of charge with less than 100%, 75%, 50%, or 25%. Rubber overmolds give the Makita XDT14T a very ergonomic and comfortable grip, and the controls are within reach of the operator's fingers. Shifting from forward to reverse is a simple slide of the switch with the operator's thumb or forefinger. No need to add or remove a hand. Weighing in at only 3.3 pounds and measuring just 4 5/8 inches from tip to tail, this Makita is compact and ergonomic, therefore reducing operator fatigue even on those long days. Makita builds this impact driver with an all-metal gear housing for added durability, and they stand behind it with a 3-year warranty. You can pick up this Makita XDT14T impact driver kit for around $300 from the Home Depot. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and don't miss out on our great coverage on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.